All right, we're going to make a field trip in Google Earth. And our field trip is going to end up out here in the hills outside of the town of Madras, Oregon. So, a couple different ways to do this, but this is the way we're going to do it using the web browser. So it should work on your Chromebooks. Go right here to where it says Projects. Click on Projects. Click Create. And you can do this in Google Drive. We're going to give it a name. And we're going to add a feature to it. And we're going to add a place mark. And the first place we're going to go is to where we're going to start. So I'm going to start at school. There we go. Pops up in the address. Double click on it. Fly to school. And the cool thing about Google Earth is you get to decide what view you're going to start with. So I am going to start with school from this view right here. I'm going to click, and that will stop the spinning. And I'm going to now make sure I'm on the compass, not the Earth. You can go back and forth between compass and Earth, but make sure you're on the compass. And then inside the compass, if you click, and with one finger down while still clicking, you can use another finger to rotate and give yourself a different angle. I'm going to spin that around a little bit and look at school from my classroom side. There we go. Now this is the side I would like to start off with, so I'm going to add a place mark. The place mark is down here in the bottom left-hand corner. You click on Add Place Mark, and a window will open up, and you put your place mark right where you want it. I'm going to stick it right there on school, and then I'm going to call it LOJHS. Capture this view, and I've now saved that one, so I can go to another spot. So you just keep adding place to place to place. I'm going to go directly to where Richardson's is. So I'm going to put their latitude and longitude, because I happen to know that, up in the search bar. And that will take me directly to Richardson's Ranch, which is right there. And I am going to want to zoom in on their rock beds. So we used to be able to dig rock, and now you can just buy rock from what they have. And that is their selection of rock right there. So I'm going to add a place mark to there. And once again, you can make as many place marks as you would like. I'm going to call that Richardson's and capture that view. So what I have now is 2 views saved, and in order to make this video, I will go to the first view, and then I will screen record my trip from the first view to the second view. So I could turn on screen recording now, and then I could talk over it, and then when I was ready to, I would click on Richardson's, and then it would fly over to Richardson's Recreational Ranch, and then I could continue talking. And please notice it brought me to the exact spot I wanted to, and that's because I made a place mark and I hit capture this view. All right, good luck.